Welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to exploring the latest insights and opportunities in the world of finance and investments, with a special focus on currency revaluation, gold and silver investments, cryptocurrency, and make money online opportunities, and more. If you're interested in staying up to date on the latest developments in currency revaluation, particularly the Iraq dinar and other currencies, best to subscribe to this channel. Please note that the content on this YouTube channel is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. We are not licensed financial advisors, and the opinions expressed on this channel are based on our own research and personal experience. We strongly recommend that you do your own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a weekly giveaway of 100 Dogecoin. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and watch this video until the end, because if you don't, you will be automatically disqualified from the giveaway. We will be sharing the random hashtag keyword daily somewhere in the video, and then comment hashtag the keyword with no spaces in between in the comments section. Good luck. Now, let's proceed with the latest Iraq dinar news and intel today. Please take these information with a grain of salt, and please make sure to do your own due diligence. From Newshound Guru Militia Man, the Development Road project is going forward whether you like it or not. Iraq is going international, they just haven't yet. They're not on the Forex, but are they going to be there? I think they're going to be there quite soon. From Newshound Guru Clare, article, dollar prices continue to decline against the dinar in Baghdad markets. Quote, the selling prices in the exchange shops in the local markets in Baghdad recorded a decrease, as the selling price reached 149,750 dinars, while the purchase price reached 147,750 dinars for every $100. From Intel Guru Frank 26 Iraq boots on the ground report. From Firefly, bank friend talked to his boss, and he says, when you print new currency, it raises your inflation. We have low inflation in Iraq. We don't want to raise it. We don't need any new zero notes. We have already spent over $50 million on printing new notes. From Frank, in my opinion, those lower notes are so close to being given to the citizens of Iraq. From Intel Guru MarkZ via PDK, the chatter out of Iraq stays fantastic. We keep hearing stories about lower denominations in the streets, but people who are physically there say no, not yet, but that they are physically prepared for them. There has been a grinding juggernaut of progress in Iraq. Things do continue to move. From Newshound Guru Kaperoni, we have to hope that the Central Bank of Iraq continues to accept the guidance and directives from the IMF. Doing so would allow the currency to rise gradually over time as the economy grows. From Newshound Guru Sandy Ingram, important reason the IQD is not on the Forex market is that the Central Bank of Iraq has implemented certain restriction on the exchange and trading of the Iraqi dinar, making it less accessible for Forex traders. Will the CBI change these restrictions and allow the IQD to be traded in the Forex market? We do not have an answer to this question. We hope so. From Newshound Guru Militia Man, article, secure a sustainable water future, develop irrigation systems, and address the impact of climate change on rivers without disclosing its financial cost. Why in the world would they not disclose the financial cost? If they told you it was going to be at 1310, would they be telling the truth? Probably not. They're not willing to tell you what the value of the currency is. What is Iraq supposed to do by law, commercial business, and what? The dinar. They're not willing to tell you how much it's going to cost. I think that's a hint. Sustainable water for the future is most definitely going to be an issue. From Intel Guru MarkZ via PDK, the silence in the news is eerie. It definitely feels like the calm before the storm. I'm still praying August is our month. Most of what I am being told right now is to expect it anywhere from last Monday until September 4th. Somewhere in there to see us actually with appointments. We will see. I think the quiet is purposeful. From Newshound, Intel Guru FNULNU, crazy rumor is that the dinar will be constant or fixed in country, but will float for the rest of the world. This is not true. The species of note in country will be the smaller denomination only. However, the species of note for the rest of the world will include the 30 notes, which will bear the same exchange rate. The only difference is that it will be multiplied by the thousands. There will be no lop. It has been repeatedly stated that both species will coexist for a period of 10 years. Nothing has changed since I was told this 14 years ago. Why these rumors start to surface periodically, usually when the RV seems to be imminent, is a mystery to me. From Intel Guru ReValue, we're being told that half the provinces are now seeing lower denoms, and the rest should be completed by Friday evening. From Newshound Guru Clare, article, Central Bank of Iraq on unannounced visit to America. Quote, that a delegation from the Central Bank of Iraq, headed by the governor of the central bank, Ali al-Alak, and a number of general managers have been visiting the United States of America since the 26th of this month to discuss developments in the banking sector and the restrictions on the use of the dollar imposed on a large number of private banks. From Intel Guru Frank 26, why do you think Alak is in New York, dealing with banks that have sanctions on them? This week we have some very interesting things to study. This trip removes red tape. Before ending with the last updates, the hashtag keyword for the 100 Dogecoin giveaway is collective. Comment below if you think we are close to the revaluation or the reinstatement of the dinar. You can be the lucky winner if you like, subscribe, and watch the main content of this video. This will be for this coming Sunday's giveaway, and the winner will be announced in one of the Sunday's videos, so you do not want to miss it. From Newshound Guru Militia Man, how do you value a country? What's it based off of? Their resources, right. You got to do a collective analysis. You have to value it. There's been people as far back as 2003-2004 that worked on a feasibility study on the country of Iraq. One of those people was in Central Coast, California. I know that for a fact because I wrote a letter to the gentleman that wrote the feasibility study. We've been watching it ebb and flow ever since. I didn't get involved until about 2010. The IMF 198-page document that showed $3.22. I went, wow, that's what they potentially could reinstate at. And like, wow, okay, now it's time for me to pay attention. That's why I'm here. From Intel Guru MarkZ via PDK, we heard rumors it was happening Monday night than last night. Now the rumors are for this weekend. And finally, the last update is from Intel Guru Bruce via Wiser Now. The QFS system, at least for the redemption centers, are connected. That's really good. And now we just need our emails to come into us, and we can set appointments to start. The latest thing I have is that we would receive that by or before Friday, the 30th. If we don't get notified by and start exchanges on Friday, then it would go over the weekend. Anything is possible. It could actually get into September with the concept of the weekend being a Labor Day weekend. So we'll see what happens. That's all for the latest updates on the Iraq dinar. What are your thoughts of all the articles or news coming from Iraq and opinions from these intel providers? Furthermore, we posted an important analysis video today. In this video, we dove into a crucial collaboration between Iraq and the World Bank aimed at enhancing the financial and business sectors. This partnership could be pivotal for Iraq's economic growth and the revaluation or reinstatement of the Iraqi dinar. Please go ahead and check it out by clicking on the link on the top right of this video, as you don't want to miss this. Lastly, we will continue to post videos about the recent events and articles supporting the changes taking place in Iraq, so you don't want to miss them. Also, don't forget, please drop a comment below with hashtag and the keyword and let us know what you think. If you like this content and like to support this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified when new videos are uploaded. See you on the next video. Bye.